Hey folks, Paul Phillips here with Patek Photography and Gear Reviews. In this video, I'll share the results I've been able to achieve with 3 cost-effective microphone options, 1 dynamic, 1 shotgun, and 1 condenser mic. The target audience for this video is anyone like me with a hobbyist YouTube channel, or maybe you're just working on a passion project and want to offer a more professional audio experience for your viewers. The most expensive of the 3 mics is $169 at B&H prices. So if that's something that fits into your budget, then I think I've got a video you'll be interested in. So let's get to it. The 3 XLR mics I'll cover in this video are the Zoom ZDM-1 dynamic mic, which I'm speaking to you with right now, the Audio-Technica AT875R short shotgun mic, and lastly the AT2020 side address condenser mic. So why adopt these 3 mics, you might ask? The AT2020 has been my go-to mic for intros and outros for some time, and it's done a pretty good job actually, with one minor weakness, which is the reverb or echo that comes off the 2 monitors I have sitting just in front of me. It just doesn't quite deliver that rich broadcast sound that we'd all like to have. So enter the Zoom ZDM-1. For $79, I just had to try this mic. The reviews were all pretty positive, so that was where I started. And as you can hear, I was not disappointed. So what's the catch? The catch is that because this is a dynamic mic, you can't be any further from the mic than about 3 inches, which means the mic will be in the frame and you'll need an audio interface to drive it, something like my Behringer Euphoria or a Scarlett 214. Personally, I'll take the superior audio quality over not having the mic in the frame any day when the end result is this good. The added bonus of this mic, as I mentioned, is that it eliminates the reverb or echo I typically will get with the AT2020 caused by the 2 monitors sitting right in front of me, as you'll hear in a second. So now if we listen to the AT2020, if you listen close, this is not a bad mic, but you will get that reverb if you're sitting in front of the monitors like I am. But that may be a small price to pay if you need the mic boomed out of frame. If not, this is a pretty solid mic at a decent price. So lastly, I tried the AT875R for intros and outros, but basically I found I got the same reverb as the AT2020, maybe not quite as dramatic. But when used boomed overhead for bag or other product reviews in my other studio, then this mic is awesome for its $169 price point. And it leaves my hands completely free with no worries about, those scuffing noises you get from a lav mic. Okay, so we're going to start off today by talking about my journey with audio through making YouTube videos. And so way back when, I started off real simple with the first microphone that I ever used and just ran directly to my camera, which was probably a Nikon D3300 at the time. So what conclusions can we draw from the examples that I gave you in this video? If you want to do something like this, then I would say the Zoom ZDM-1 is probably the cheapest broadcast microphone you're going to get your hands on at $99, bar none. And it gives you that nice, rich audio signal. If you want to do something where the mic is boomed overhead, then the AT2020 is a great choice. And if you want to do something in the studio and boom it overhead, then you want to look at the AT875R for sure. Now keep in mind that if you go from the old 3.5 millimeter microphones to XLR, it's pretty fair to say you're going to have to do some work in post. So I've been taking my clips into Adobe Audition, normalizing them, putting some adaptive noise reduction on them, and just, to get that little extra quality improvement. But I think you can see the results. So I leave it up to you as to which microphone or all of them if you want to use them. And I will see you in the next one. And do us all a favor and get yourself vaccinated, boys and girls. It's important. We'll see you soon. Bye now.